Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about Ethereum. Ethereum is not just an old cryptocurrency, it is like a rock star of crypto stage. It's got the beats, the rhythm, the whole potential. We are going to analyze pattern, trends, the whole chart itself. Why? Because we want to know what the future holds, if to invest, if to sell, if to buy more. Definitely, nobody knows for sure, but we are gonna take our best. And if you are an experienced trader or just a newbie, stick around and find out what AI has to say about Ethereum. So grab your coffee and let's start. We have here the daily time frame for Ethereum. So let's take the picture, download it. Now let's jump into the website. Good, we are on 3P AI and we click analyze now. We use one time frame technical analysis. We upload the picture. Picture is uploading. Here we'll see the results. Perfect. And let's analyze it. Let's see what results we will have. I remind you that I tested out using charts from TradingView, nothing too complex, nothing too simple. The chart must be clear, the candles shouldn't be small stretch or something like this. Personal drawing on the chart could affect how AI read the chart. There are other two options here, an option that checks the project, an option that tells you if it's good to take profit. So if somehow you invested a while ago, you just put there the price where you invested at and the AI will let you know what action to take. Definitely based on your risk tolerance and your investment goal. And the last option is a scoring system. So you provide some inputs about what cryptocurrencies you have and the allocation you have for each, and the website will score your investment. It will offer definitely some suggestions. Good, so we have the technical analysis. Let's see what we have here. So Ethereum daily chart indicate a long-term uptrend that peaked early in the year, followed by a corrective phase. Let's see what we have. This is talking about this part following the downtrend. Recently, the price action has seen lower highs and lower lows, suggesting a short-term downtrend or consolidation phase. The notable peak and subsequent lower peaks could be indicative of a reversal in a trend for bullish or from bullish to bearish. It says that we have lower highs, and besides ignoring that one, we indeed have lower highs. So that's a high, a lower one. This one it's a little bit on top. Probably that was a fake out. And here we have a lower one, and definitely ignoring the same thing here, we have lower lows. But the AI also mention all these parts here, all these peaks or tails of candles, if you want to call it like this, which could indicate that the trend will change in the near future. Support and resistance. The price is currently testing support level around 2,800 USDT, indicates by the psychological round number and previous price touch points. The resistance is seen near the previous high around 3,600, where the market has reversed from before. Let's see. Okay, so 3% 280, which is this part, and 3.6 around this part. Okay, that's not wrong. That's not wrong. I would go a little bit, maybe more here. Okay, that's a good support and resistance zone. The volume bars shows a spike in trading activity on down days, which could be a sign of selling pressure. The exponential moving average displays show a bearish crossover with the shorter exponential moving average crossing below the longer, which is a bearish signal. So Trippier noticed this part here, this volume and these volumes bars, as being something to consider. Besides that, it says that if those moving averages will cross, actually this one will cross over this one, we will go even deeper than that. The RSI is hovering near 44.52 level, which is below the middle line of 50, but not yet in the oversold territory, which is under 30, indicating there may still be room for further downtrend movement before a potential reversal, which we know that could be correct. Chart patterns. There is no clear chart pattern presented with the given time frame, but based on the recent highs and lows, one could speculate the potential formation of a bearish head and shoulders pattern if the price fails to make a new high above 3,600. Let's see what it means. What this means. I believe that AI is talking about this part here. So it would be this one. This one would be the head and shoulders. So this is the head here, right here, and those are the shoulders here and here. And it says that if the chart will break down here, we will see Ethereum probably at 0. I'm just kidding. The overall market conditions appear to be shifting from bullish to bearish as the price is making lower highs and potential setting lower lows, with a crossover of exponential moving average to the downside and increased volume on down days. Based on this assessment, it may be prudent to wait for a confirmation of trend direction. If the support around 2,800 holds, there may be a case for a bounce back up. If it breaks, it could signal a continuation of the downtrend, potentially dropping toward the next significant support level. Traders might look for bearish or bullish confirmation with additional patterns or reversal above exponential moving average crossover. In terms of entry points, a break below support might favor short position, while a bounce from support with significant volume and bullish candlestick pattern could serve as a long entry. Exciting, a trader should be considered around the next key level of historical support or resistance, or if the price action invalidates the trades, hesitate with clear opposing signals. Or if the price action invalidates the trader's thesis with clear opposing signals. Always consider risk management and stop loss orders to manage potential loss, definitely. And below here we have the summary. So ladies, gentlemen, if you want to check yourself this particular technical analysis, you can come on the top, click technical analysis, and we have here the last technical analysis that we just did. Warning, crypto market alert, is now just time to buy or sell. Nice. And here it is presented. But you know what? I'm looking for a smaller time frame. I'm curious about the smaller time frame. So let's check it out. Let's go with 50 minutes time frame. And let's see what we have here. This time I want to do some personal drawing on the chart. Good, so I just draw some lines there and see important support and resistance zone. Here we can see a pattern that is creating, so something will probably happen in the next few hours, but I'm curious about the AI analysis as well. Yeah, for me it's clear that we have here this spike, we have the volume, we see RSI on the oversold area, so there are some important signals for taking long trades, but it's not about what I believe, it's about what AI could say about this. So let's check it out. download image, picture, uploaded, analyze. Let's drink some coffee. Alright, 50 minutes chart show a notable downtrend characterized by a sequence of lower highs and lower lows. The moving averages have crossed over the downside, indicate bearish momentum. The price action has recently been consolidating, forming a descending triangle pattern, probably because I draw it there, which is typically considered a bearish continuation pattern. So what AI says is that the triangle will break on the bottom side. The recent level around 3000 marked by the upper line of the descending triangle has been tested multiple times without a breakout, solidifying its strength as a near-term resistance. Immediately support is visible near 2817. The recent swing lows, which could serve as the lower boundary of the descending triangle. So 2.8, let's see. So those are the lines that I've drawn here. There has been increased trading volume during the sharp sell-off, which corroborates the bearish sentiment in the market. RSI has been oscillating around the 50 level but remains predominantly below it, suggesting that bearish have the upper hand. The RSI hasn't reached oversold territory, which implies there might still be room for downtrend movement. The descending triangle pattern alongside the bearish crossover of the moving average and the RSI remaining under 50 suggests that the overall market sentiment is bearish. The increased volume on downswings versus upswings suggests that there might be more aggressive selling than buying activity. The descending triangle pattern indicates potential bearish continuation. A break below the triangle support could trigger further selling, while a break above its resistance could significant a shift in momentum. And what AI says is, if it breaks down, we go down. If it will go up, we go even upper than that. So we can see some similarities in between humans and AI, because what actually the AI said or claimed is that if it's going down, it's going down. If it's going up, it's going up. Which we know that all the traders always say in a way or another. So let's see the general direction. Considering the current market condition and technical analysis, the general direction appears to be bearish. Traders may look for break below the support level to consider short position with set stop loss, order above recent high to mitigate risk. Conversely, if price action breaks above the descending triangle resistance, it might invalidate the bearish outlook and lead to a potential reversal or relief rally. An entry point for a long position could be considered upon such a breakout with confirmation of increased buying volume. So let's see this on the chart. It says if we break above, we take long trades. For instance, if we'll break here, we'll have to take probably long trends. Depending on the candle patterns, we put the trade somehow here. Now there is an entire discussion with where to put a stop loss, where to put a take profit. If you would ask me, I will use Fibonacci for taking a profit level, probably something like this. And I will go not here, but probably right here if the case. Why I'm not going here is because I don't have anything on the left, so nothing will act as support, but nothing will act as resistance. But here we have some history, so that's how I would go with a take profit. And definitely we have here the disclaimer and the summary. The technical analysis is also available on the technical analysis part of our website. See here. However, if you want your personalized technical analysis, just upload a picture and have a comprehensive analysis, so you take better trading or investing decisions. Ladies, gentlemen, have a wonderful rest of the day.